Jai Srimanarayana Asmadgurubhyam Namaha. The Dhanur Masam started from 16th December, Tuesday. Tirupavai. The English meaning of Tirupavai refers to a collection of verses by the Tamil poet goddess Andal, which are dedicated to the worship and praise of Lord Krishna. The 30 Pashuram's in this context is a specific verse within the Tirupavai, often associated with the devotion and longing of the Gopikas for Krishna. The verses express themes of devotion to the divine, and the spiritual journey of the devotee, emphasizing the importance of devotion and the divine's grace in the lives of the devotees. Jai Srimanarayana, Rachakonda Ramacharyalu, Sri Vaishnava Agama Purohita and Jyotisha.